In this video we want to show you a small trick on how to get better seats for your next Ryanair flight for free. On our first flight we checked in with the Ryanair app. You can use your computer instead, if you want. Put in your booking number you got via email from Ryanair, and your email address. Click on the check-in button. When you check in your first flight, you have to fill out your personal details, together with passport or ID number. For the return flight you don't have to fill out the form again. Okay, and here is the trick coming we want to show. For the first flight we checked in right after free check-in got opened, 48 hours before departure. We got this random assigned seats that were really far apart. Plus the seats were in the middle between strangers. Ryanair is assigning the cheapest and worst seats in the middle out first. You mostly won't get a window or aisle seat. For the first flight we got these two seats. For our return flight we had to check in from our hotel, because free online check-in opens 48 hours before the flight. You can't check in both flights at the same time, if you don't want to pay for a seat. This time we checked in only 20 hours before departure. Like you can see, the most available seats are window and aisle seats. Middle seats are most all given away already. And that's the trick. Try to check in not too early ahead. The longer you wait, the higher the chance to get a better seat. Our return flight seats are both in the aisle. And there is only one row in between both seats. Hopefully this tip can help you for your next Ryanair flight too, to get better seats for free. Thanks everyone for watching. Feel free to subscribe to see daily more unboxing and review videos. Have a great day. Thanks guys.